Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do a basic 3-strand braid. The materials used in this video is a mannequin head, a comb, and some jam. We're first going to section one part of the mannequin here. That part we section, we're going to divide it into 3 equal parts. With our left thumb and middle finger, we're going to hold the first section. Thumb and right middle finger, we're going to hold the far right section. With our right index finger, we go below the middle section and grab the far left section of the hair. We're now going to hold the middle section with our thumb and middle finger of our left hand. While holding the middle section with our thumb and middle finger, we now twist our right hand inside out and grab the far right piece with our left index finger. The section at the top we hold with our right thumb and middle finger, while we go under with our right index finger and grab the thumb and middle finger, we hold the section of hair at the top of our right index finger. We now twist our right hand inside out and grab the far right section of hair with our left index finger. We now hold the piece of hair that is on top of our left index finger with our right thumb and middle finger. We use our right index finger, go under and grab the far left section of hair. We then take our left thumb and middle finger and grab the section of hair that is left on our right index finger. We repeat this process to complete our braid. I'm comfortable with doing the underhand method of braiding. I'll continue to complete my braid doing the underhand method, as you can see in the video. Thank you for watching our video, and remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more content like this. Leave us a comment below and let us know what you want to see next. Bye now.